When my days were dark and cold, and I had no strength to hold, you heard my whispered, trembling prayer. Mother Mary, you were there. In silence you embraced my fear. Your gentle light kept drawing near. Through every tear, through every night, you led me closer to the light. Mother of grace, I thank you today for guiding my steps when I'd lost my way. Your love like a candle, so steady and true. Mother Mary, I'm grateful for you. You carried me when I was weak, with tender heart and spirit meek. You prayed for me when words were gone. You held me close and made me strong. I saw your care in every sign, a sacred peace, a touch divine. In every trial you stood by me, a mother's love so faithfully. Mother of grace, I thank you today for guiding my steps when I'd lost my way. Your love like a candle, so steady and true. Mother Mary, I'm grateful for you. Hail full of grace, the Lord is with you, and through your love He's with me too. I offer my heart in humble praise to walk with you in all my days. Mother of grace, my song I raise for your mercy and your tender ways. In every season, whatever I do, Mother Mary, I'm thankful for you. Yes, Mother